Once you join the Summer Slim Down and determine your goals and what level of the program you're able to commit to, you'll be assigned a coach, either Ann, Nicole, or Paul. And the first thing you're going to get an email from your coach, just like this one with the tagline, "It begins." And if you click on that, it's going to be a little welcome. And then in there's going to be a link to your Summer Slim Down program. So if we click on that, it's going to bring us to a Google Drive file, and this is going to be your home base for the Summer Slim Down. So when you first open it up, it's going to have two things in there. It's going to have a healthy habits tracking sheet and progress report here, and then it's going to have week 1 of your food diary. That's all it's going to have at the beginning, and we're going to add to this as the 6 weeks go on. So when we look at the habit tracking sheet, we're going to click on that. And this first page here is your overall 6-week progress report. If we look in this left column over here, the activity, we have 15 different activities. The first 5 are related to recovery, stress management. The next 5 are related to fitness, and then the last 5 are related to nutrition. And you can see after that you have week 1, week 2, all the way to week 6. Now you can't change anything on this sheet, but what you can do, so we go down here at the bottom to week 1. And now you can see those same activities and then the points you get for each one. So you can see here for meditation, 1 for every 5 minutes. So let's say you meditate for 20 minutes on Sunday, you give yourself a 4 because you get 1 point for every 5 minutes. So always pay attention to what the point value is here, and also the maximum. So no screens during a meal. If you have 5 meals throughout the day, no screens at any of them. Give yourself a 5, but it says up to 5 per day, so you can't go any higher than that. So you're just going to fill these in. Let's say you did a restorative class here, and then also on Tuesday you can put that in 1 per class. It's going to show you everything. It will change depending on if you're doing you're meeting your goal. See, it goes to a green. And then what we can do now, we go back and we look at the progress bar, and it automatically updated those values that you put in there. And at the bottom, it's going to give you a grand total for each week. And that grand total that you get per week is what's going to build towards getting a discount at the Embody store. So the higher the numbers are towards your goal, the more of a discount you'll get in the Embody store, clothing, mats, things like that. So you want the most points, but again, you just plug those numbers in. 64 ounces of water, 1 per day. So the maximum you can get there is a 1. If you don't hit it, you just keep it as a 0. And you just kind of build those healthy habits and make sure you're giving yourself the appropriate amount of points in the right week and the right day. All right, so we'll get rid of this. And then the next thing, the other thing, week 1 you're going to get of your food diary. So we click on this, and this is week 1, and this is going to be customized it's going to be different if you are on the vegan plan, the vegetarian plan, or the omnivore plan. This example right here is the omnivore plan. A couple things you're going to see here. Over all the way on the right, these are your goals, and these are again going to be individualized to you, and it's going to give you a minimum value and a maximum value to strive for. And this is all color coded as well. So you take a look at these colors over here: calories, protein, fat, carbs, sugars. Each one is color coded, and you'll see a minimum and a maximum range that we want you to try to hit. So you can take a look at those numbers, and then when we go back here, you click on meal 1, select a recipe. Go in here, and this is already going to be pre-filled. There's going to be a bunch of different options here. So once you click on one of those, it's going to automatically update and plug in those numbers for calories, protein, fat, carbs, sugar. And I'm just going to add a few more in here so we can see what happens at the bottom. So now you can see here, once you're in the good range, so for protein, we're supposed to get over 103 grams. You can see now we're at 108, and it changes it to the correct color. All right. Fat, You can see here we went over the maximum, so it changes it to a red. So those things, you will kind of want everything to be in those colors here. If you go over, it's going to change it to a red. Obviously not the worst thing, just something to focus on for the next day. And then down here, you're going to see one custom line. There's going to be a few more of those as well. That's if you can put whatever you want in there. So if you're not having an embody meal or one of these from the drop-down list, you just plug it in yourself. You type it in, and then all you have to do is put in how many calories there are, protein, fat, carbs, sugar, and it's automatically going to update it into here. So each one of these is one day. We go to day 2, and that's going to be blank all the way through to day 7. All right, and then we're going to keep updating this each week. We'll give you a new one with different recipes if necessary, based on your goals and based on how you're doing. And then you can see the breakdowns here if you just go all the way over. All right. And again, after week 1, you're going to receive another one based on your coaching call with your coach to determine if what has to be changed, if the calories, protein, things like that need to be changed, the macronutrients, or the meals themselves.